You look like you're in a presidential chair.
This is Jacob. He's
Oh my goodness.
And he wanted to say hi to Jason.
Oh, that's the coolest thing ever.
Tell him what
How
you
are
want to
you?
do.
What's up, Jace? How are you guys?
We're fantastic.
Jace.
Oh, I love the jersey.
We do too.
Can you tell him what you want to do
this
when
is
you get
phenomenal.
big? Tell him. You want to play hockey when you're big? Oh, you want me to tell him? He says he wants to play hockey when he's big like you.
You want to play for the Eagles too?
Yeah, when I'm big.
Yeah. Someday, hopefully soon.
Absolutely. We're gonna start ice skating.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Yeah. Get yourself a nice pair of skates. Oh, there we go. I think I just froze the thing for a little.
That's better.
Well,
Oh,
I don't know if you heard me. I can't wait for you guys to actually get out to a game. So hopefully that's sooner than later too.
We hope so. We hope so. This
Can't
is just the coolest, and
Yeah.
all of you guys. This is amazing. So there's really no words. We keep saying that, but I keep hoping that some words will come. But it's amazing.
Yeah.
Daddy is
So
not the
high
fuck.
sticking there, buddy. High sticking me.
Well, obviously we're.
So
That's 2 minutes. You got 2 minutes in your room.
yeah,
now.
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
2
Penalty
minutes out
box.
for you.
So what do you think? Pretty cool. You've been wanting to do that for a while. Uh-oh. That is so cool. Awesome.
That's kind of rude. When the jersey falls out my hand.
That's the puck.
That's the puck.
Yeah. Be careful. That's heavy. Don't want to hurt yourself.
Like that.
That's magic.
Hopefully this won't get it going too fast. So
Oh no. Oh, it's over here, buddy.
Awesome.
I'll get it.
That's rude. When that falls, and
I'm not sure the camera will keep up with him.
that was
So-
rude.
He's moving too fast.
Super cool. Can you say thank you so much?
Thank you.
Say something. All right.
Thank you for saying hi to me.
Say that again. Awesome.
I said I'm honored that you guys stopped by to say hi to me.
Oh, absolutely. So this is amazing. Fantastic.
Well, I'm excited to have you guys out when the season gets going, and hopefully that's sooner than later. But
So
we'll see how it goes with the whole COVID thing. But
crazy times, but yeah, sooner rather than later. And even if it's not tons of people, we'll see if we can sneak in. So
I'm pretty sure you guys are going to be able to sneak in.
great.
I'll make sure they find a way no matter what. So
Perfect. Awesome. Thank you so much.
yeah, absolutely. Enjoy the jersey and all the hat and all the extra stuff. And we'll
Awesome.
hopefully see you guys soon. Okay.
We can't wait. We're excited.
All right.
All right.
See you, Jay.
Thank you. Say thanks. I said we'll see you soon. We'll see you on the ice.
See you when you're on the
Bye,
ice.
buddy.
All right.
See you
Can give
soon.
a big wave.
Give him a big
All right.
All right.
Bye, bud.
Ooh, Nanny.
All right. We'll see you.